while you're grabbing your phones, I just want to do a shout out. So our event, Halloween Swing Thing, is coming up. Halloween, last full weekend of October. Join us. If you've never been to Halloween Swing Thing, it's pretty wild.
Orange County, beautiful, California.
And one of the highlights is hotel room trick-or-treating. So we take over the entire floor of the hotel, and different events sponsor different trick-or-treating rooms and give out, let's say, some adult treats.
Or candy.
I'm amazed that hotels let us do this. It's always a blast.
It's an adventure.
All right, so we have flyers if you have questions. 3, 2, 1, and action. All right, Friday, Desert City, Jordan and Tatiana, and our first class was just on open whips. We started with basic concepts of an open whip. Leaders, I don't like you grabbing for the hand right away. It kind of blocks the path of your follow coming in and tends to look a little juvenile, ring around rosy. So we try to reach for the shoulder blade and slide down the arm, which means you won't connect it until 3 and usually. You don't need it unless you plan on leading that turn. So if I did the basic 1, 2, 3 and up, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
Followers, I'm using my hips in that. 1, 2, 3 and a 4, doing a spiral for and a 5, landing 6, turning 7 and 8.
And Tatiana uses that spiral especially for the single turn exit, because a lot of follows will get around the corner too quick and then they end up standing in place for 7, 8. The spiral kind of slows you down if it's only being led as a single turn. Okay? Next from there, let me switch sides with this. We did an open whip version where we kept one hand. We hitched because hitching loads with a little more energy. 1 and 2, ronde and flick. Flicking on the back side of the track, leaders, allows me room to rotate and kind of tandem under that arm, but not block my follow's path. 1 and 2, ronde 3 and 4, turn 5, turn my follow, and then come out 7 and 8. Follow, stylize the exit.
1 and 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, and then relax for 8. But I want to show that you're adding to this pattern and not just following to a fault, followers. If you ever wonder why sometimes in Jack and Jill's you're not making those finals and you're like, I've been sitting in this division for so long. Sometimes it's little things like this where a judge is just judging the followers and going, wow, that follower is adding something to what the leader's doing. And that's just the next level up to better your dancing, okay?
Yeah, from there we did a deceleration mid-open whip. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. As I'm approaching my follow, I went and 5. This deceleration on 5, 6 is similar to a slingshot that you've led before. We come into cuddle for and 7. We turn 8 and up. Now the reason I do that timing is a lot of times this would be the way I'd accent a 1. 1, 2, 3 and a 4, and 5, 6. I'd come in, hit 7, turn 8 and 1. We'd be able to hit that accent. But again, all of these patterns feel open-ended, meaning that the second half could be up to how your follow reacts, and you could take longer, and you could see what your follow does with the opportunity for that spin.
Followers count, hitching 1 and a 2, again the 3 and a 4, and we're gonna and 5, 6. I want you to slowly go into that right. Rolling foot for 5, 6. Push 7, okay, spot down, and then leader, stop. This is where I would probably stop on 1. Same technique that I taught you in the previous move of 1, hold 2, or 1 and 2 and land. Yes?
Good job,
all right,
everybody.
Great job.